Have you ever stopped to wonder why some people seem to be good at everything they do? Because I have. And honestly, it blows my mind. How can one person have so many skills and master every single one of them? Most people will say, oh, it's just talent. But let's be real, talent is just the desire to prove your potential. It's that fire inside you that says, I want to get good at this and show the world what I'm capable of. That's not a gift, that's a mindset. That's drive. If you want to become your best self in 2025, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide to get good at anything. Seriously, anything. You've probably heard this before. If you try to do everything, you won't be good at anything. Yeah, I heard that too. People even commented that on my videos. But I always thought differently. I wasn't born with natural talent. But I do know that with practice, discipline, and consistency, I can become excellent at anything I focus on. And that's exactly how I want to help you, to become great at anything you choose. Now, before you jump into the comments saying, Kevin, no one can be good at everything. Chill for a second. This channel is built on a different mindset. We believe that if you put in the effort, think smart, and stay disciplined, you can become good at anything you truly commit to. You weren't born to just be average. You have the potential to be great. So why are you still wasting it? Step 1. Understand the power of habits. Before you even think about getting good at something, you need to understand how habits work. Habits are the things you do daily without even thinking. They become natural. But when you start a new habit, your brain resists. Let's say you want to wake up early. At first, it's a battle between staying in bed and getting up to start your day. Your brain is used to comfort, so yeah, it's gonna fight back. But that struggle doesn't last forever. If you can push through the first 10 days, you're already ahead of most people. Could be going to the gym, learning a new skill, anything that helps you grow. Those first 10 days? Brutal. I call it the unbearable phase. But once you push past that, you'll look back and realize, it wasn't that bad. Then the next 10 days get easier. Because now you're not struggling to start anymore. And by day 21, you'll actually start feeling the results. But here's the trap. A lot of people hit the 21-day mark and think, alright, I've made it. So they go back to their old habits. And boom, back to square one. If you really want to be good at something, you have to stay committed after those 21 days. If you can stay locked in for 30 days, it becomes part of who you are. So learn to master your habits, or they'll end up mastering you. Step 2. Discover your natural strengths. Everyone has natural gifts. Yes, even you. Some people are naturally good at certain things. Others just haven't figured theirs out yet. For me, I'm drawn to calisthenics, boxing, video editing, anything involving sports or high adrenaline activities. I didn't choose those things because I'm amazing at them. I just feel connected to them. They make me feel alive. And because I enjoy them, I get better at them faster. That's what you need to find. But here's the thing, you won't discover your gifts sitting on the couch. You have to go out there and try new things. Maybe you're a natural at music, but you've never touched a piano or guitar. Maybe you'd be great at a sport, but you've never even tried it. You've got to explore. Follow your curiosity. Your gut already knows what you're meant to do. Listen to it. Step 3. Build smart systems. The system is like a puzzle. If you want to improve in anything, whether it's a sport, a skill, or something else, you need a system that organizes everything properly. Let me break it down for you. Step 1. Define your goal. What exactly do you want? Get stronger at calisthenics? Improve in boxing? Learn a new language? Step 2. Break it into smaller steps. Instead of staring at the whole mountain, focus on the next step. If your goal is to run a marathon, then step 1 might be building endurance. Step 2 could be improving your running form. Step 3. Create a routine with rules. Decide how often you'll train. How many minutes per day? What's your diet plan? Write down your schedule and follow it. Step 4. Adapt when needed. If something's not working, change it. Not getting results? Maybe you're overtraining or not sleeping enough. Remember, change the strategy, not the goal. The system isn't set in stone, it evolves with you. With time and experience, you'll figure out what works best for you. So don't just throw effort at the wall hoping something sticks. Build a smart system that pushes you forward with balance and purpose. Look, I'm not saying this is going to be easy. If you want to get good at everything, you have to push through the pain even when it hurts. Even when you feel alone. That pain won't just disappear. You'll just become stronger and more capable of handling it. But until you realize that today's pain is building tomorrow's strength, you'll stay stuck. You'll never get truly good at anything. And one more thing. If you're tired of wasting time, if you keep waking up tired, distracted, and stuck in pointless habits, you might be trapped in the dopamine cycle. But there's a way out. A mental warfare manual, built for men who are sick of being weak, distracted, and lost. It's called The Power of Routine. 21 days to reclaim your discipline and dominate your mind. It's not about comfort. It's about building a cold, focused, and unstoppable mind. One that does what needs to be done no matter what. No excuses. No limits. Click the link in the description or the first comment and download your copy now. Prove to yourself that the warrior inside you is still alive. Start today. Or keep delaying your potential until it's too late to change. If you watched all the way to the end, comment Rock Lee, so I know you're serious. Stay sharp. Stay obsessed with growth. See you in the next video.